Hi everyone, Mr. Peabody here. Every time you see me play guitar, except for there's one song that I didn't do it with because I actually just used my fingers. But every other song you've seen me play on guitar, there's something that was in the background that I've used. It's the same thing I've used the whole time, which is this little guy. It's a plectrum. And I've used the same plectrum the whole time for every video. Normally you lose these things, and do I have more? Yes, I have more, but I've actually used this one, and the reason being is I've used the same one. This is a Dunlop plectrum, a Dunlop plectrum, and it's a 0.73mm plectrum, so it's not overly light, it's about medium gauge, and the more you use it, the more you get accustomed to it. So if you ever watch me when I start to play, you'll see me flipping the plectrum, but most of the time you don't actually see my hands. But the reason why you flip the plectrum is because when you play it for a while, it gets a slight bend to it. If you have a look at that, I know it's a bit hard to tell, but there's actually a bend to it. So I would actually play it like that, right? If I play it like that, the bend's going the other way. I know it sounds bizarre, but these are the little idiosyncrasies that you get used to. But no, I've actually played using the same plectrum the whole time, and I haven't lost it. And if you notice, sometimes you'll see a guitar in the background and you'll see this sucker stuck through the strings, because in order to save your plectrum, you shove it in the guitar strings so that you know where it is the next time you want it. I do have other plectrums that I use, but for the last year and a half I've only been using this one. Just a little fun fact I thought you might like to know about. See ya.